So today I'll be showing you how to enable text message notification bubbles on your Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. So when you have bubbles, you can actually have them floating on the screen and you can use them to quickly respond to messages and have chats without necessarily opening the messages up. So there are two settings you need to make sure are enabled. So first, go into the main settings page and then go to notifications. Under notifications, tap on advanced settings, and then under advanced settings, tap on floating notifications and make sure you set it to bubbles. So for any floating notification that you've enabled, you're going to have it in form of bubbles. So now let's go into the messages app and enable it from there. So launch messages and then tap on the profile icon and then select messages settings and then tap on general and then tap on bubbles. Okay, so you can see, make sure if this is set to none, just make sure it's set to all, and that means your messages will always have notification bubbles. So anytime you get a text message like this one, it's gonna come up in form of a bubble, and you don't even have to leave whatever you're doing. So let's say you're in the gallery or on Facebook looking at some stuff. You don't even have to leave the app you're currently on. You can just continue doing what you're doing, tap on the message bubble, respond to the message, and then exit and continue doing whatever it is you are doing. Okay, now of course that's assuming you don't have any settings issue with messages. So you can just come here and read. You can tap on the plus symbol and look at extra bubbles. So for instance, if you have more than one notification, you can just respond from there. So that is basically how to enable text message notification bubbles on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.